Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LinkedIn Insight tag events with diagnostics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify LinkedIn Insight tag events using diagnostics, first, ensure you have the LinkedIn Insight tag installed on your website. Open your web browser and navigate to your website where the LinkedIn Insight tag is implemented. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Once the developer tools are open, click on the Network tab at the top. In the filter bar, type LI to help isolate LinkedIn-related requests. Next, refresh your web page to capture all network requests live in the Network tab. Look for requests that begin with https://snap.linkedin.com in the list. Click on any of these requests to view detailed information. In the right-hand panel, select the Headers tab to review the request details. Check the Query String Parameters section for the appropriate event type that you are monitoring. Make sure the parameters match the events you've set up in your LinkedIn Insight tag. Now, also check the Response tab to confirm if the request was successful. Look for a status code of 200, indicating that the event was received by LinkedIn. If you see different status codes, this could indicate an issue with your Insight tag configuration. To further verify functionality, navigate to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. Select Account Assets and then Insight tag from the drop-down menu. Under View Tag Status, you can check if LinkedIn recognizes your Insight tag on your website. For additional troubleshooting, adjust your browser settings to disable any ad blockers. This can help ensure that the Insight tag loads properly during your diagnostics. After confirming that events are firing correctly, you can proceed with your LinkedIn advertising strategy. Remember to revisit the page occasionally to verify continued functionality as updates can affect performance. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your LinkedIn Insight tag events and ensure accurate data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.